Multi-USB ports. The car charger have 5 USB ports designed for large family. 2 for the front seat and 3 for the back seat, with a removable clip and 5 feet long connector cable allows the driver and passenger to have a secure and easily accessible way to attach the 2-port backseat charger. Compatibility. The total output power is 54 W and the front USB port can share 2.4 A output current and the back seat USB port can share 2 A output current. Super compact design minimizes the size and weight, suitable for 12 to 24 volts mainstream type vehicles such as cars, SUVs, trucks, off-road and so on. Functional and various. 5 built-in USB ports support 4 people charge their devices simultaneously, and the USB vehicle charger compatible for any Android and iPhone mobile devices, like smartphones, Galaxy, Android tablets, powerbank, video games controllers, sports watch, camera and other USB-powered devices. Safe and highly reliable. The car charger adapter is UL and FCC certification. Built-in smart IC chips and safe fuse in the ports help protect your devices from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat, short circuit, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Great for road tripping kids and parents. I have 2 of these now, may get a third. The separated sets of USB ports makes both front and back seat occupants happy. 5 total outlets for 4 users plus a spare for dashcam or other extra USB item. More to the point, my wife is toughing out an impending knee replacement. Don't want to go to hospital before COVID is a distant, painful memory. She uses cold therapy machines constantly in the meantime. This device plus a universal USB adapter lets us take road trips while keeping her knee on ice. So, to me, it's just about priceless.